Hi, this is Polyban Teachers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you like this video. Hi, this is Polyban Teachers and I am Sagorika Banerjee. Today I will be teaching you editing error and how to solve an editing error for the beginners. What is an editing error? Editing error is basically a question where you get a passage, a small paragraph in which you have to find out errors or mistake in each of the lines of that paragraph. So remember, you will get marks only when you find out the error as well as you give the solution, the correct answer of it. Then only you will get the complete mark for that question. Here we will do some editing error passages which are only for beginners. So first of all, the first passage, a gifted young man struggles to make everyone understand why he does but what he do. There is one error in each of these lines. So we have to find it out. Let us read it again. A gifted young man struggles to made. So if you can just see here, with the to we cannot use made. It is the past tense. We should use the present tense. So here we will write down, instead of made, we will write down make. So the first word, we will write down the incorrect word. So here I write made first and then the correct word, that is make. Now let us move on to the next line. Everyone understand why he does but and what he do. There are two things which are there, why he does and the other one is what he do. So it should not be but here. So we will make the correction over there in the second line. We will first write down the wrong word but and the correct word is and. Now let us move on to the third line of this passage and that is what he do. With he, we cannot use do. It should be does. So we will write down here do first and then the correct word does. Now let's do the second paragraph. Rockets are being used not only for. So here the error is used and the correct word is used. So first of all, I will write down use, the wrong word, and then the correct word used. Now, next line, for carry humans and equipment into. With for, we will write down carrying, ing form. So, the wrong word first, carry, and then the correct word, carrying. Now let us move on to the next line. Into space but also as weapons in war. So in is the wrong word. We have to write down the correct of it. First of all the wrong word and then the correct word of. Now here we start with the third passage. Rohit knew the cause for the illness and for some reason he doesn't feel sorry for Sai. After knowing who Rohit is, the servant asked her to get in. So in the first line, if I read it again, Rohit knew the cause for the illness and for some reason. So here the error is and, the correct word is but. So I will write down and first and then but. So Rohit knew the cause for the illness, but for some reason he doesn't feel sorry for. Now can you see the sentence started, the paragraph started with past tense. So here is no use of doesn't, it should be didn't. So the second error in this is doesn't. Here I put the correct answer Now come to the next line. For Sai, after knowing who Rohit is, the. Now is again present tense. Here we have to use past tense. So the next correction is the wrong word is and the correct word is was. So after knowing who Rohit was, the servant asked her to get in. Rohit is a boy, so here we cannot use her for him. So we will write down first of all her, the wrong word, and then the correct word him. Let us do the last passage. Today this city has a highest literacy rate in rural Uttar Pradesh. It makes me proud to think it's all because for the struggle of Mr. Ravi. Today this city has a highest literacy rate. With the word highest, this is in superlative degree. We cannot use a. We have to write down the article the. So the first error is a and the correct word is the. Now moving to the next line. In rural Uttar Pradesh, it make me proud. Now again with it, in present tense we write makes instead of make. So the second error is make and the correct word is makes. Now coming to the next line, proud to think it's all because for the struggle of. With the word because we write of. So the third error is for and the correct word is of. Because of the struggle of Mr. Ravi. So this way you can see how easy it is to solve all the editing error questions. This is specifically for those children who have started doing these questions for the beginners. I hope you have understood the editing error questions now more clearly. These passages are very easy and these will help the students who have just started doing the editing error questions. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, that is #PollyBandTeaches. I also keep on writing blogs. Please do visit my website, that is #PollyBandTeaches.wordpress.com. Also listen my podcast channel, that is Meri Kahani, Meri Zubani. All the stories written by me. I promise that I will bring more videos on different other topics. Till then, bye bye.